a glass of wine, and your own personal charcuterie board. If you haven't been to Mingle and Gray's in downtown Chandler yet, you have to check this place out. They have bottles and boards on Wednesdays and Friday. You can get a bottle of wine and one of their boards. You can build your own or pick one off their menu. I went with the Monger board and loved it. Also really loved their fresh lemonade. You can also pick up items for your own charcuterie board to make at home. Definitely check out Mingle and Gray's. Let us know what you think and make sure to follow for more.